If you want to add a payment method to your Epic Games account, this video will walk you through the process step by step in just a few minutes. Whether you want to buy games, make in-game purchases, or simply have your account ready for future purchases, adding a payment method on Epic Games is quick and easy once you know where to look. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to epicgames.com. Once the Epic Games website loads, log in with the account you want to use for purchases. Make sure you're signed into the correct account before continuing, especially if you have more than one Epic Games account. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. This will open your account options. From the menu, select Account. This takes you to your Epic Games account settings, where you can manage your profile, security, transactions, and payment information. On the left-hand side of the account page, you'll see a navigation menu. Find and click Payment Management. This is the section where Epic Games stores and manages your saved payment methods. Once you're in Payment Management, look for the option that says Add a Payment Method. Click that button to begin the setup process. Epic Games will then let you choose the type of payment method you want to add. You can usually add a credit card, or in some cases PayPal, depending on your region and available options. If you choose a credit card, enter your card details carefully, including the card number, expiration date, security code, and billing information. If you choose PayPal, you'll be prompted to sign in and authorize the connection to your Epic Games account. Take your time and double check everything before confirming, because even a small typo can cause the payment method to fail. Once your information is entered correctly, save or confirm the payment method. After that, your new payment options should be linked to your Epic Games account and ready to use for future purchases. If you ever need to update or remove it later, you can come back to the same payment management section at any time. And that's it. You've now learned how to add a payment method to Epic Games. It only takes a few clicks, and once it's set up, buying games and other content becomes much easier. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful guides, and I'll see you in the next video.